What's up, everybody? I'm just down here at this little wash like stream below our home. Our house is right up there and it is being painted as we speak. Is that cool? Our house is gonna be white.
Are they videoing them?
Yes, I got consent. When you paint the outside of your house, you actually have to get all of your windows taped off. And so for the past week, I've just been feeling a little funky because all of our windows are taped off. So we're not getting any sunlight into our house. And that can really have an effect on your mood and your emotional state. I can't imagine living somewhere where it's just always overcast, because I just feel like inside our house it's just always dark and has this like yellowish tint to it. So all of our windows just look like this. So everything in the house just has like this weird yellow tint to it, and it just makes me feel weird. So we're looking forward to it being finished. I wanted to come outside and record this because I just need to get out in the sun. You know, you gotta be outside, and it just feels good to be outside, not like living in a coffin anymore. But anyway, just wanted to give you another little vlog update on what I've been up to. First of all, I just got done doing the Anthony William Medical Medium Liver Cleanse. This is my lunch for today.
I release all fears and doubts. Fears and doubts, and create
Almost
peace
done.
in my mind.
It was really awesome. I mean, I haven't noticed any drastic changes. I was really hoping to see some improvements with my skin, and so far I haven't seen anything yet, but I'm not losing hope that one day, maybe when I'm like 60 or 70, I'll have clear skin. Might happen. I'm not gonna lose hope. But I do think that although I didn't notice any difference with my skin, I still did some really good, some good for my body and for my liver. So I'm happy about that. Of course, like I told you in my last vlog, I've been doing a lot of decluttering, and so I've got a lot done at my house. We've taken loads and loads of crap to the DI. So I'll show you a little bit of what I've accomplished so far in my house. Okay, this is my next project, this room. This room I have never really spent any time on. It's, you know, it's a multifunctional room. Obviously it's the laundry room, but it has a lot of functions here. It could be homework station, art station, pet station, kitty litter, pet food, got a drinking fountain. Yeah, it's just kind of random. And then there's a bathroom. This is the bathroom that is right off of our backyard. This is where all the kids come in when they swim and come in here and use the bathroom or change or whatever. So it's a mess though. This carpet is super old. Look at that. It's just like falling apart and leaving little residue all over. It's super old. I just really need to, oh, look how dirty that is. I've got to fix up this place. It's just a mess all the time because I've never really decided how I'm gonna use it yet. It's just random. See, got the pets stuff. This is a shower that we never use, obviously, but we could use it. It would be useful. But we have an outdoor shower too, so I think the kids tend to use that after swimming or before swimming. But I like this room a lot, and I have big plans for it. And Owen, while I try to organize, he's gonna work on this little thing. Found this on Amazon. A little sticker thing. You like that? So the stickers are numbered, and you just have to, here's all the stickers, and you put them on. Is that fun, Owen? You're doing the elephant, my favorite animal ever. That's so cool. And I'm ozonating my water. This is cleaning out all the impurities. and then I'll put it in my crystal water bottles once it's done. It goes for about 20 minutes. Okay, now I got all my crystal water bottles here. I'm gonna fill them up with this freshly ozonated, purely clean water. Now I'm just gonna let them sit in the sun and get charged. I actually sat all of these crystals out the other night because it was a full moon, so they not only did they get charged by the moon, but now they're going to be charged by the sun. I organized all those drawers, got rid of stuff. All of these drawers. Look, I cleared off all the counter, the whole counter, cleaned out all the drawers. It was a mess in here, but look at that. It stayed pretty nice and clean for about 3 weeks now. That is a record. Ta-da! Did you get a haircut? Did you get a haircut? Oh, you look so beautiful, so pretty, huh? I went through and I organized my pantry again. It seems like I have to do this every time we get back to this house, but made a few changes. Added some more things like this, which actually makes everything not only look nicer, but makes it so much easier for me to make all my healthy, like, vegan recipes, because I've got everything out available where I can see it. And I'm really proud of these because I just made these. These are homemade croutons and they're amazing. Just had it with a tofu Caesar salad the other night. It was so good. Also, I started my garden. One of my New Year's resolutions was to get a really good garden going this year. And since we have been living in 2 homes, it's always been a struggle to have a garden because by the time my garden grows, we're leaving. So this year we still have to go back to Draper and to our Draper home and start moving things out. So I won't be able to enjoy the full harvest of my garden, but I am trying to get my garden going early this year because St. George has been amazing weather and I think I can start planting very soon. But I did start my indoor garden. Next week I'll probably do a little video showing you what I'm eating as far as my plant-based diet goes, but I've been having celery juice every single day. So I have been doing celery juice every day for quite some time now. Not the best tasting, but lots of great health benefits. If you follow the medical medium, Anthony William, then I'm sure you know all about it. But if you don't, then go check him out. He's got some great books too. I just got done listening to his book, Liver Rescue. I'm following his cleansing protocol right now. It goes really well with a vegan diet, so it hasn't been too hard. It's just a lot more of celery juice and apples. I've gotten into a real good routine with that, and I think doing my body good. That's what I'm doing my body good. So anyway, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next week.